The traveler closed his eyes, and around him the forest stilled, every leaf holding its breath. He reached into the water, and the lake turned clear as glass. "I remember," he whispered, "your laughter in the rain, the promise beneath the ash tree." The spirit smiled, and the storm began to fade. "Then the rain can finally rest," she said, her voice melting into the air like morning mist. A single drop touched his hand, warm, not cold, and when he looked again, she was gone. Only sunlight remained, trembling through the trees, where love had once become rain, and rain had become a promise kept. Remember me. Follow us for more magical stories. This is Together Exploring, where every step is a story. Thank you for watching.